Welcome back, and today I'll be showing you how to embed a YouTube video on Canva. So the first step is to open your video in a different page and then copy the link that is on the search bar. Then from here, you can now just paste it on your Canva project. So now from here, you can decrease the size of the video. You can also move it around on your screen and edit it to your liking. So with editing, this includes animating it. So you can give it a different animation if you want. You can also choose to lock it right there on whatever position you've placed it in. You can give it alternative text in case it doesn't load properly. You can choose to align it to the page and all sorts of things. So you can just simply move it around and customize it to your liking. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.